All right, so I'm gonna share with you my project, SUI Fusion, named as SuniFi. This is a real crocheting swaps using HTLC, the 1-inch Fusion Pulse functionality, and the Sepolia base to see the transaction. So these are the updates that currently have in the project. The live infrastructure, in case you want to see the HTLC contract, which is right here. And what else? Sorry, it's right here. This is the HTLC contract live on the testnet. And here is the architecture and key components. So the smart contract layer, sources, I have a move file where is all the logic for the lock and everything else. The real swap, which back all the swaps between SUI and Ethereum using the 1-inch API. The API server, I use an API to do all the actions, create, lock, claim, execute. And I have a user interface source code to show this beautiful way. This is the code. So here is all the functions. I'm not going to spend a lot of time explaining each one of those. This is the real swap function, API server, all the configurations are right here. So interface, and the app.js where I call the functions that I use. So let's go to the demo. So here we're going to change 0.01 SUI into it. Click start. Here I can see all the process running step by step. And here is stop completed. So from here I can see the transaction hash. I'm gonna click on this. It's loading. Success. And let's push this one to see if something changed. And here is 0.01 ETH. 0.01 ETH into my Base Sepolia account. This is from my SUI testnet account. And well, the problem that I'm having here in Portal 1-inch, sorry, in 1-inch API, is that I got the request, however, I got some errors when performing transactions. So that's next steps to fix that. Well, this is the image. Here we can see all the 1-inch errors, just that I need the API to configure this in an online version. But we can see here all the details of the successful transaction. And well, that's it from my side. Thanks for watching.